Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see more about the online English language lessons that we offer. Yesterday, before one of my online classes, I was chatting to a student who'd turned up early on Zoom. And she told me that she was planning to set up her own language school sometime in the next month or so. I said that I thought this was a brave decision to make in the current climate and wished her luck with it. I told her that she could always talk to me if she needed any advice or any assistance with anything. And I asked if she had any experience of running a company before or of being self-employed. She laughed and said that she was a single parent with 2 young children, and so she was used to being super organised. She was very, very good at making sure things ran smoothly, people got to where they were supposed to be at the time they were supposed to be there. She was good at keeping track of what was going on. She was good at keeping an eye on the budget. She knew how much money was coming in and how much money was going out. Wow, I replied, it sounds like you run a very tight ship. If somebody runs or keeps a very tight ship, they keep firm control of the way that their company or organisation or household is run in order to make sure that it's run efficiently and effectively. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, tell us about people you know or companies you know that run a tight ship, or tell us whether you would be good at running or keeping a tight ship or not, and why.